What's the meaning of abrupt? Abrupt. 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 The word abrupt means sudden and unexpected, or curt or brusque in speech or manner. It can also refer to something that is steep or precipitous. When used to describe a person's speech or manner, abrupt can suggest that they are rude or unmannerly. When used to describe a change or event, abrupt can suggest that it is unexpected or jarring. Here are some examples of how the word abrupt can be used in a sentence. The meeting came to an abrupt end when the CEO stormed out of the room. The driver made an abrupt turn, nearly causing the car to crash. The teacher's abrupt change in tone caught the students off guard. The hiker was startled by the abrupt drop-off in the terrain.